Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you with a card share video. So if you watched my last video, I let you know that I have a lot of Spellbinders dies that I haven't used. So I'm kind of focusing on those this next few weeks to show you cards that I made using those dies. They may be a little older and not current, but I think they still work, so why not share them with you guys. So today I have used the Rain Boot Bouquet die, and this was the small die of the month from February of 24, and it was a rain boot, and you can use the die to either cut 1 or 2 rain boots to use in your design. So I thought this die was super cute and definitely worth purchasing. And then I also used the Essential Stylish Ovals, and this is 16 oval dies, and it cuts beautifully, like most of all of Spellbinders dies cut beautifully. So use this one, and then I use cardstock from my stash, which I purchased from Joanne, and it's the Basil cardstock. So let's get started. I think I have 3 cards to share with you. So the first one, just utilizing the rain boots and my favorite color flower, orange. Yeah, how many orange flowers are there out there? But I think there are a lot because I like orange. Let's see, we got a little something there. And so I like the way this turned out. I love the yellow boots, and then the simple background. No bling, just letting the die cuts do their thing. And I thought it turned out really pretty. And so the next one, I don't know, I got a lot of orange flowers apparently. So this one is just kind of dramatic with the brown background and using the orange and the yellow. I think it works really well together. And on this one, I did use some bling from my stash. Just some little bling there on the florals, on the little white flowers. I think that turned out cute. I used an embossing folder. That's that chicken wire embossing folder. Really cute. And then last but not least, it's the larger 5x7 card. Sometimes when I put the cardstock on here, I don't put it on evenly. It drives me crazy, but I went with it. And so this one, you know, it has more greenery and just more of the little tiny flowers. And then I put use the oval die that's from Essential Stylish Ovals from Spellbinders. This one here, I used it in my last video, and this one just turned out really cute. I just used this older embossing folder that I had. I like using, and I thought it turned out cute. Let me know below what you think and which one is your favorite. You like the big 5x7 or the smaller card? I think the brown is my favorite because it kind of pops with the yellow and the orange. So I want to thank you guys for watching. If you give this video a thumbs up, I would really appreciate it. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you haven't subscribed, think about subscribing. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.